An Idaho judge recently made a ruling that left a lot of folks stunned. Why? After convicting a 19-year-old man of statutory rape with a 14-year-old girl, he sentenced the man to a one-year alternative program that, if completed, one of the terms of probation included remaining celibate until he gets married.
I guess there's really old laws that exist in Idaho that the judge can impose this, because there's a law that states an unmarried person who has sex with another unmarried person is technically breaking the law. Right. How wild is that?
How would you possibly enforce this probation? Are they going to put... Does he have to wear a can't... How would you possibly... Nope, I've been celibate, Judge. I'm curious, from your perspective, since you deal with adolescents, this is a 19-year-old with a 14-year-old. That's why he got sentenced. And a 19-year-old's not that old, but obviously this was statutory rape. In terms of rehabilitating, is this effective for a 19-year-old?
Yes, and that's exactly what I was going to get into, because, again, just like we were talking about with the internet, prohibition doesn't work. It didn't work in the 30s for alcohol. It's not going to work with sex. It doesn't work. Think about telling an adolescent you can't do that. It's in their nature to say, all right, I'll figure out a way to do that, right? So it's not going to solve the problem. So this is what I'm thinking. Educate the kid. Why don't we teach him about consequences of sexual behavior? Let's teach him about sexually transmitted diseases. Let's educate the guy a little bit, right?
I say put him in jail for a few years, let him be alone with his thoughts, and he can be celibate there. Like, how about that?